Good morning, everyone. My name is Shiva Rahmawati, and I am from 2021 Physics Education. This time, I will present three chapters of material from English for Teaching, taught by Mr. Upik Rahma, P3 MPD. The chapter that I will discuss are the shape and properties of an object solid, the structure of the material object, and explain the movement of the object in three dimensions. Okay, the first, I explain about the shape and properties of an object solid. Okay, what is the shape? Can you see this is picture? Okay, in geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object, its outline, outer boundary, or outer surface. Around us has a shape. We can find different basic shapes, such as the two-dimensional square, rectangle, and oval, or the three-dimensional rectangular prism, cylinder, and sphere in the objects we see around us. These geometry shapes appear in objects we see as credit cards, bill and coin, fingerings, photo frames, dartboards, hoods, windows, magician, windows, tall buildings, flower pots, toy trains, and balloons. Okay. Two and three dimensional. Difference two and three dimensional. The two dimensional shape is that it has two dimensions, that is length and width. But the three dimensional shape is solid shape. It has two dimensions, that is length, width, and depth. Okay, next about matter. Matter is everything that can you see or feel or touch around you. It includes things like the air we breathe and the item we use in everyday life. Everything and what can exist is one state, as a solid, liquid, or as a gas. And can you see picture about solid, liquid, and gas? Solid is a substance that retains its size and shape without a container. A substance whose molecules cannot move freely except to vibrate. Liquid is a substance that flows and keeps no defined shape because its molecules are loosely packaged and constantly moving. It takes the shape of its container but maintains constant volume. Gas. Gas is a substance that can only be contained if it is fully surrounded by container or held together by gravitational pull. A substance whose molecules have negligible intermolecular interaction and can move freely. Properties of solid. Okay, what is the properties of solid? Solid has a fixed shape and fixed volume. Solid cannot be compressed. Solid have a high density. Force of attraction between the particles in a solid is very strong. The space between the particle of solid is negligible. Examples of solid substance include various types of metal, such as iron, gold, and zinc. Okay, chapter 2, I explain about the structure of an material object. Okay. Crystal structure. Can you see this is picture? A crystalline material is one in which the atoms are situated in a repeating or periodic array over large atomic distance. All metal, many ceramics, and some polymers make crystalline structure. Some of the properties of crystalline solid depend on the crystal structure of the material. A crystal structure is made of atoms. A crystal lattice is made of points. A crystal system is a set of axes, in other words, the structure in an ordered array of atoms, ions, or molecules. Example for crystalline lattice: cubic body center or BCC, cubic face center or FCC, and hexagonal. Can you see this is picture? For BCC, example Fa. For FCC, example atau aluminium. For hexagonal, example zinc and magnesium. Okay, next about macro and microstructure. Macrostructure of material is examined with the naked eye or under low magnification. Deals with the shape, size, and atomic arrangement in crystalline material, such as quartz, can be observed directly on a fractured surface or on virgin specimen, expose defect, segregation, crack, etc. For microstructure are material structure seen at the micro level. Specifically, they are structure of an object, organism, or material as revealed by a microscope at magnification greater than 25 times. Example for macrostructure such as quartz, and example for microstructure example metal micro. Third, the movement of the object in three dimensions. Movement or motion is same. Okay, can you see this is picture? This is picture. This is picture car, velocity, skateboard. Okay, so what is motion in three-dimensional? Motion in a three-dimensional space. Suppose a particle is moving between. To describe the position of this particle, a position vector is required. These vectors are always with respect to the reference frame at the origin. The following parameters are required to fully describe the behavior of a particle moving in a plane. Example, position, velocity, acceleration in physics. If all the three coordinates specifying the position of object change v/t time, then the motion of object is called three-dimensional. In such a motion, the object moves in a space. Example, a bird flying in the sky. You can see this is picture. Random motion of gas molecule. Motion of an aeroplane in space, or motion of an car. Okay everyone, I have finished my presentation. I hope what I explained can be useful, more or less, and sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.